final project for grid structure and advanced C++. A project scenario, designing a travel destination per planner with combination without repetition and number expression in C++. There is a local agency that gives a advertised special tour package where clients get to visit two destinations with a single trip, but they would like to make sure that each package has its distinct destination pair within the maximum total budget, much as 20,000. To make the planner easier, the agency requests a computer science student unique to write a C++ program that will automatically calculate our destination, combination, and screen only those that are within budget. Unique design a solution by applying combination without repetition to come up with distinct destination pair. For instance, if the travel destination are Baguio, Boracay, Palawan, Cebu, and Siargao, then the valid combination should include Baguio plus Boracay, Baguio plus Cebu, and Cebu plus Siargao. Each pair must only be listed once. Baguio plus Boracay is equivalent to Boracay plus Baguio. Therefore, it can be displayed only once. This is referred as a combination without repetition. Unique chose to use a Lambda expression. The Lambda expression solves whether the law. Unique choose to use a Lambda expression. The Lambda expression. Unique choose to use a Lambda expression. The Lambda expression solves whether the total cost for two destinations is within the budget, for example, 20,000. It uses two for loop to go through every unique pair for destination. It uses a Lambda function to check if the cost is more than the budget. If the fare is printed out as a valid holiday package, Unique test the program using the 5 destination. The budget is 2,000. The output is number 1 Baguio plus Boracay, number 2 Baguio plus Palawan, number 3 Baguio plus Cebu, then Baguio plus Siargao, and Boracay plus Cebu, Boracay plus Siargao, Palawan plus Cebu, and Cebu plus Siargao. This is simple project assist the travel agency but build existing affordable tour package, and it also enables unique applies combination with repetition and Lambda expression in the real world problem. Both the agency and unique are happy. The agency has now used the tool to create monthly promos, and unique has a great final project for discrete structure and advanced C++. Ito yung code natin. Gumamit tayo ng hash include iOS, hash include vector, hash include string, ISO, hash include iom manip using namespace std. Itong structure or struct destination, inano natin yan kasi yung string name ng destination, tapos yung double niya is price. Then dito na magsisimula yung ito na yung program na main na sa main. Ito yung nakalist down na yung mga destination at yung prices. On snowball budget, ito 20,000. Ito na yung Lambda, yung may auto. Ito na yan. Then out, ito yung lalabas dito yung mga available na mga destination within the budget na 2,000, 50,000. Ito. So, nakapix kasi yung destination. Yung mga destination. Include the iOS stream para sa input and output. Vector, data structure, then string, data type, then IO map, then using space std, structured destination and string name. Ito string name natin, Baguio, Boracay, Palawan, Cebu, Siargao. Yan yung sa price. yung 7,000, 10,000, 12,000, 1,095. So dito nag-list down na tayo ng mga destination tong 5. Ito yung price nila. And nagtalaga tayo ng budget na 20,000 para sa dalawang destination. Ito. Yan. 3 yun sa option. Yung naka na to plus nakasama ng dalawang destination. Mamimili ka na lang. Fair price. Ito, magkasama na. Lalabas mamaya sa CR. Ito, auto. Ito yung lamba expression natin. Yung double P1. P1 is yung destination 2, P2. Return yung P1 plus P2 equal dun sa budget. See out na yung available pair na pipiliin natin. See out din yung budget. And see out yung budget. See out destination na. Sa dalawang destination, tapos makita total price. Dalawang destination. Ito na naman. Within destination na siya. Destination to name. Then, ito destination plus price. Destination 1, name, destination, name, tapos yung total price. Next option. So, dito yun yung budget na hindi pasok sa destination. Yung budget hindi pasok sa destination mo yung sobra sa 20,000. Dito yung lalabas na yung lalabas yung mamimili ka kasi mamaya ng number mamaya dito sa part na to. User choice. Mamimili tayo mamaya sa pair na destination. Yan. Pag mali yung input natin na number, ito yung lalabas. Error, invalid choice number. Double selected price equals price per user choice 1 and selected. Ito yung pair na dun sa choice natin, yung parang Baguio, and naka-pair na agad yung Boracay. See out, you selected pair first and selected pair second. Naka-plus na yun. Ito na, Boracay, Baguio, tapos Boracay. Nalabas yung price nila na magkasama, fix. At precision, dito na yung sa yung number, kung magkano yung equivalent nila, yung pinagsamang presyo ng dalawang destination. Then, pag error, lampas sa 20,000 yung dalawang destination. Then, this pair within the budget, lalabas to pag sa budget yung dalawang destination na pili mo. Baguio plus Boracay. Baguio plus Boracay is number 1. Ayan, pasok siya sa budget. Budget na yung Baguio plus Boracay is 17,000 gagastusin. So ito yung lumabas. This fare is within the budget. Yung amount. Final project for district structure and advanced civil stuff.